Hello and welcome back to our channel SIS Cooking. So today we'll be making restaurant style Paneer Tikka. So let's get started. In a bowl, take some paneer cubes. To it, add some ginger garlic and green chili paste and marinate them well. Then add some diced capsicum, diced tomatoes, and some diced onions. Add some fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. One tablespoon of oil. Then add the spice mix, which includes 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and 1/4 teaspoon of chaat masala and turmeric powder. Then add 2 tablespoons of besan and mix everything well. Add some salt as required and some lemon juice and give it a final mix. Marinate it in the refrigerator for about 20 to 30 minutes. Take a skewer and arrange paneer, onions, tomatoes and peppers alternating with each other. It's ready!
Let us know if you want a recipe in our comment section below. And if you liked our video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel.
SIS Cooking!